Hi, I'm going to show you one way to support your tomatoes today. I've tried a lot of different ways. I've tried weaving and tomato cages and everything. This way is simple and I think anybody can do it, and so I'll just show it to you real quickly. So what you do is, now when I put these tomatoes in, I put them in with black plastic, okay? And then I put a T-post on one end, just one T-post right in the middle of the line, and another T-post down here. And then I basically use this orange baler twine. I keep it in an old 5-gallon bucket. And so what you want to do is you just want to tie it off on one end. I'm going to come down here first. And these are just a different bunch of varieties of tomatoes. We grew them from seed this year and they worked out pretty well. So you just want to go up, and the T-posts are nice. Come over here for a second. The T-posts are nice because you've got show the ridges on there. You've got the ridges on here and you can use them as measurement. And you can go up as many as you want. Right now I think about 2 is good for me. I just tie it on there, nothing fancy. And then I'm going to string it along here, just all on one side. With the weave you would be going back and forth between the tomatoes. That's just, I've tried it, it's just, to me it's too tricky, too much of a pain in the neck. So I just go down one side, like this. I haven't seen anybody showing this before this way. Somebody else might have come up with it, but it's kind of like, we tried different ways and this is what we came up with ourselves. Although, who knows, somebody else might be doing it too. But you don't have to weave anything. And some of these are a little smaller down here in the shade, but they'll do all right too eventually. And then just go to the T-post, come around here, and just get it on a notch there, wrap it around a couple times. And if you've ever done the weave before, you know that this is much easier, what I've just shown you. And the only difference would be really you have to use 2 strings instead of 1 here. So, and I've got the other side now. I just put it at the exact same height. Alright, gonna wrap it around a couple times. Now that's good enough. Any kind of knot will work. And then go down the same height, catching the other side of the tomatoes. And I just think this is much easier than weaving them. Alright, that matched up pretty good. Same height. Wrap it around a few times. I got a little too much here, so I might have to cut it. If you have to cut it, just kind of go like that. That way I don't mess up my weave. Alright, and tie it. That's good there. And you just do this as needed. Alright, so that's one way to support your tomatoes. I think it's easier than the weave. You use a little more twine, but to me it's worth it to use a little bit more. So an easy way to support your tomatoes. Talk to you later.